My great people all over the well-wishers of Biafrans, the Biafrans themselves, spectators, all those eavesdroppers who come onto our channel, all those eavesdroppers who come to peep and spy on us, who come to eavesdrop and take information from us, the good inhabitants and indigenous people of Nigeria, the great Africans, lovers of freedom all over the world, gentlemen and ladies. Today, Akpan Asokwo from Biafra Radical Freedom TV, an extension of the Brigadier Biafra Republic Government in Exile media outfit. We are here today to bring information that is verified to you. Commander Gentle, one of the commanders of the Biafran Liberation Army, who have been purportedly died some months ago and who came back alive again and also have been sacked a couple of hours ago, now counting to 2 days, by the same Nigerian men of the Nigerian military and their connivers, who are claiming and deceiving people that they are with us in the struggle, as they are called, the witches and wizards from the DS. And I am bringing to you the disclaimer from Commander Gentle today, who just surfaced to tell people to calm. God is in control. And this is what Commander Gentle has to say in his tweet today. Said they don't need to make noise or rant because they are professionals. And because they are professionals, and we should also be rest assured that everything is going down in pleasant places, falling in pleasant places for them. They are completely in charge. It's God, Chukika Biama, has been favoring them, and he will continue to favor them, but they are willing. This is from Commander Gentle. For those who are jubilating, the chips are down. The market is left with the people and the forces. Okay, without taking much of your time, we will be coming back to touch or brush on it in a very jiffy manner. Another update here is that Nonso Nkwa, all of you know, Igbo human rights activist from Imo State. He is here telling all Biafrans, especially those of the Igbo Biafrans who have been affected by the brutality of the Nigerian military and men of the Ebubato movement that was established by the governors who are slave boys to the Fulani Caliphate, who rigged them into power and who encouraged them to loot the resources that will be meant, they're supposed to be meant for the development of their region, promising them cover up. And after they had succeeded in stealing this power, these offices, they use it to steal much more, continue the process of stealing the resources that is meant for the people's good, and this their stealing process is captured in turn, covered by their paymasters, who will use this against them, that they remain in captive and never to say anything against the caliphate order. That is why you will see a people own natural resources. They enjoy whatever natural resources they have alone in their own region, and the other region where they have slave boys as their errand political boys, as governors, senators, and members of the National Assembly generally, and these people are making sure that nobody steps or affects the interest of their paymasters. They do everything to protect the interest of their paymasters. That is why we are painting a picture here. Is now we are bringing it to your light that these people in their region enjoy everything God bless them with as natural resources. Then in your own region, they enjoy everything. They are in charge. That is why you hear TY have 4 oil wells, has 3 oil wells, who has sold one, and the money is too much. How many $billion? And this one Alhaji Atiku Abubakar owns this one, and this one all Alhajis, and good luck Ebele Jonathan cannot own even half, even an oil rig. And the only one we talk about are South or Russia, BRICS Russia. The only one they will own, there will be about 4 people or 4 investors, 3 investors, merging resources to own this singular oil block. You don't understand what I said? That these people in the north will manage and stage up terror, take up banditry and terror in the north, where they now use the banditry to guide wherever natural resources are found. And you see where there is no airport flight will be falling there, and natural resources are lifted from there, and it's going to individuals' pockets, whereas the oil resources, oil wells from our own region, is not only that it's used for the national interest, the Fulani cabals also own them, and the owners of the resources don't own this. They stay at the receiving end. Their land is polluted, their waters are polluted, their economic activities, agricultural activities, aquatic life is affected. They cannot fish, they cannot grow crops, and these resources, after polluting their land, the Fulani now had in agreement with the Yoruba to take all the multinational firms' offices to Yoruba land. And there they pay their duties, they pay their tax. They are making the Lagos state economy so big, so huge, so vibrant, shrinking that of where pollution has been hit very hard. And these governors, because they are slave boys, cannot talk. That is why we will hear a senator will be signing agreement with the Fulani terrorists, the jihadists who are occupying political positions. Contract a senator will take his stomach, like bigger than my own is not even stomach, because I'm working on this. But they will sell their own people, take their associate to sign contract to betray their own people. That's why associate we are going maybe capital or whatever you call them. This is what they did. If you saw him signing the deal with Shetima, Kashim Shetima, a few years ago, while they entered office, before they entered office. Now you see that Nonso Nkwa here is calling Biafran people to make a very good, lodge their complaint. If you have been affected by the activities of a Bubatro team and the zoological security military, you should move forward, step forward, and lodge your case. That he, Nonso Nkwa, will take care of it. They are out. They really started collecting. We are here now to interject. Brother Nonso, you are doing very wonderful work. We thank you. You have always been very vociferous. You've been very vocal. Your effort is not hidden. If anyone can attest to your effort, your commitment, It's been a very laudable one. So we thank you for that. It's just that a couple of weeks ago also we saw you were calling on the governor. So this one were lodging also complaint. Now, even this one you are doing today, when you were now making complaint, lodging to the governor, this is like I am a thief and I stole here. You are now bringing complaint of the thief. You know that I am the criminal. Now you are now making statements or comments, bringing complaint to me about criminal activities that I should help you fight those the thief that is disturbing their neighborhood. So is that not a clear hypocrisy? You know I am the person doing this, and you don't want to come direct to confront me. Now even telling me to help you fight the thief. Is that helping? Is that going to help our struggle in any way? No, it cannot. So Nonso, we are in a struggle to survive. You cannot be saying no and saying yes at the same time. You said you knew. I thought the man was even used to kidnap you when towards the late last year. Now, the same person now you are not complain about security too. You have by implied and by practically saying it out. So Nonso, this your call. It's a good one. Thank you. It's outside of commitment, but I tell you, it's a waste of time because whatever information you are gathering, you will still log into an office that is still a Nigerian-owned office or controlled, influenced. So how are we going to believe that you or trust you for that you'll be coming up with anything? And of course, you cannot come up with anything because you are telling me that I am a thief to punish myself, to jail myself. No, you are not on it. You are off this one now. You know, you fella. If you gather those data, please, Nonso, forward it to us. See this phone number, this chat WhatsApp number. Nonso, forward it to us because we're not going to load it to any Nigerian office or to punish or investigate. No, you cannot. You have seen how Martin Kano's case, where Nigerian court is investigating or examining Nigeria itself. The Nigerian court cannot indict or sentence Nigeria, you know. So this is what it is like. It is what it is. Fellow friends, continue to follow us. Yes, this is Radical Freedom TV. Please do us good to share this video. Click on the like button and ensure you are dropping your comments, brothers, fellow your friends, wherever you are watching from. Please let us know you are watching. You might not necessarily tell us where you are because of your privacy. Lately, a lot of people don't want to divulge their hideouts, and thank you. We are whiter than white. We are a great people, a peculiar race. So Nonso, if you gather those data, please bring them to us instead. Bring them to us. Bring the data to us. We will utilize this data. Yes, the Biafran Republic government in exile will utilize this very update, and it will serve your own best interest. Serve your own very best interest. You can't do anything. You are vulnerable. That's why you can't either speak in favor of IPOB either. So what you do is keep your head straight. Gather those information and bring them to us. We will make better use of them. We already gathered the ones we gathered in other places before now. So please, we need you to gather the data and send to us. If you have access to our PM, please send to him directly. No need coming through me. Thank you, fellow dear friends, and we must continue. Here we are talking about a senator who enjoyed the mass support of the Biafran people, the IPOB people, because he put up a posture that he loves our great leader, he loves and supports his cause and courage. Today, we have come to that realization that all this is a lie. He only used us to ascend into position of power, knowing that he was going to pull out, knowing he was going to abandon us somewhere to continue with his career in Nigeria and remaining a politician other than a classroom teacher he was. Now, Senator Enyinnaya iberibe feels he has crossed and he can do anything at this point. Enyinnaya iberibe, no, you are wrong, you cannot do anything, because even the Senate you are into today is because of IPOB. You're able to win the election every now and then because you were given the body language that you support the cause. Enyinnaya iberibe, today we know you have really wronged yourself. You have wronged yourself. You have shot yourself on the leg. You know the implication of what you have done. Senator Enyinnaya iberibe, we are coming to you today because we know you are a strong man. We are coming to you Senator Enyinnaya iberibe. Senator Enyinnaya iberibe, you said that the insecurity in Southeast started with Mazen Mandekano and his IPOB activities. I am thinking of what to tell you, but you should be mindful of that very situation. You should be very mindful of what is going on. You thought you have crossed. You are now a senator again from an unknown platform, and that gives you the right to think that you can do anything, say anything, and get away with it. Fellow dear friends, remember that Onyendu said something about this Enyinnaya iberibe. Even though Enyinnaya iberibe shorted him, Onyendu still came forward to say he doesn't trust any politician, and all these people are the same. Something made him say that. There are some conversations that are spiritual. He said these things because, and this spirituality of it is based on what was revealed by who operates and who is acting on this function. So thank you, fellow dear friends. Enyinnaya iberibe is standing up against IPOB, against Biafra. He said something very recently that beyond what he said the other day, where he was saying that insecurity is triggered or started by our IPOB activities in Southeast, and that is to say that no sensible person should work with IPOB. We passed the message, we grabbed the message. Enyinnaya iberibe, continue, you will hear from us. Thank you, fellow dear friends, lovers of freedom, and support from Biafra Radical Freedom TV. We are greeting you. We are saying happy Sunday and have a peaceful weekend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Share this video, like it, hit on the like button, share it, and make sure you drop your comments. You see,